Have you ever wondered why some affiliate marketers seem to hit it out of the park while others struggle to make a single sale? Well, if so, you're in the right place. We're exploring the 10 common mistakes made by affiliate marketers. These are the pitfalls that can trip up even the most enthusiastic marketers. We'll show you how to avoid these mistakes and set yourself up for success. Also, at the end, you will find how you can download a free ebook showing you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So, grab a pen and paper, because you'll want to take notes on this one. Let's jump right in. Common mistake number 1. Choosing the wrong products. First up, let's talk about product selection. Many new affiliate marketers make the mistake of promoting products they don't believe in. They see a high commission rate and jump on board without doing their research. This is a recipe for disaster. Remember, your audience trusts you. If you promote a low-quality product, you'll lose that trust fast. Instead, focus on products you've used and love. Your genuine enthusiasm will shine through and boost your conversions. For example, if you're a fitness blogger, promote the workout gear you actually use in your routines. Your audience will appreciate your honest recommendations. Mistake number 2, neglecting to build an audience first. Some marketers jump into affiliate marketing without building an audience first. They create content filled with affiliate links but have no one to share it with. This approach rarely works. Before you start promoting products, focus on creating valuable content that attracts an audience. Build relationships with your followers. Understand their needs and pain points. Only then should you start recommending products that can genuinely help them. This way, when you do share an affiliate link, your audience is primed to listen and trust your recommendation. Mistake number 3, lack of disclosure. This one's important. Failing to disclose your affiliate relationships is not just unethical, it's often illegal. Always be transparent with your audience about your affiliate links. Let them know that you may earn a commission if they purchase through your link. Surprisingly, being upfront about this can actually increase trust and conversions. People appreciate honesty and are often more likely to support you if they know how it benefits you. A simple, "This post contains affiliate links," at the beginning of your content is usually sufficient. 4. Overselling and being too promotional. We've all seen those overly salesy posts that make us cringe. Don't be that marketer. Constantly pushing products and using aggressive sales tactics will turn your audience off fast. Instead, focus on providing value. Share helpful information, tips, and honest reviews. Let the products speak for themselves. For instance, if you're promoting a cooking gadget, share a recipe video using the product. Show how it makes cooking easier or more enjoyable. This soft sell approach is often much more effective than hard selling tactics. Common mistake number 5, not tracking performance. This mistake that can really hold you back, failing to track your performance. Many affiliate marketers simply post links and hope for the best. But how do you know what's working if you're not measuring it? Use tracking tools to monitor your click-through rates and conversions. This data is gold. It tells you which products resonate with your audience, which content performs best, and where you need to improve. For example, you might find that your email newsletters drive more sales than your social media posts. Armed with this information, you can adjust your strategy for better results. The 6th mistake is promoting too many products. It's tempting to promote every product under the sun, hoping something will stick. But this scattergun approach often backfires. When you promote too many products, you dilute your message and confuse your audience. Instead, focus on a select few products that align with your niche and your audience's needs. Become an expert on these products. Share in-depth reviews, tutorials, and tips. Your audience will come to see you as a go-to resource for these items, increasing your credibility and conversions. Common mistake number 7, ignoring SEO. Search engine optimization might sound technical, but it's crucial for affiliate marketing success. Many marketers create great content but fail to optimize it for search engines. This means their content gets buried in search results, never reaching its intended audience. Learn the basics of SEO. Use relevant keywords in your content, meta descriptions, and titles. Create content that answers common questions in your niche. For instance, if you're in the travel niche, a post like 10 essential items for backpacking in Europe could rank well and attract potential customers for your affiliate travel gear. Mistake number 8. Lack of patience. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Many newcomers expect immediate results and give up when they don't see instant success. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and consistent effort. It's about building trust with your audience, creating valuable content, and learning what works. Give your strategies time to bear fruit. Keep learning, keep improving, and don't get discouraged by slow starts. Remember, even the most successful affiliate marketers started from zero. Number 9. Not diversifying income streams. Relying on a single affiliate program or product is risky. What if the company changes its affiliate terms? Or discontinues the product? Smart affiliate marketers diversify their income streams. Promote products from different companies. Mix in other monetization methods like sponsored content or digital products. This approach not only increases your earning potential but also provides more stability. For example, a beauty blogger might promote skincare products, makeup, and hair tools from various brands, as well as offering their own makeup tutorials or ebooks. Finally, common mistake number 10. Neglecting to educate yourself continuously. The digital marketing landscape is always changing. New platforms emerge, algorithms update, and consumer behavior can shift. Marketers who don't keep learning often find themselves left behind. Stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in affiliate marketing. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and network with other marketers. Continuous learning helps you stay ahead of the curve and adapt your strategies for better results. And there you have it. The 10 common mistakes that can trip up affiliate marketers. By avoiding these pitfalls, you're setting yourself up for much greater success in your affiliate marketing journey. Remember, success in this field is all about providing value, building trust, and being patient. Keep creating great content, stay true to your audience, and the results will follow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow marketers who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips and strategies. Thanks for watching. To download your free ebook on how to make money online through affiliate marketing, then follow the link on this screen or in the description below.